How to buy things on DHgate. So first you have to scroll here or just select your order and add it to your cart. Let's say I want to buy this shoe here. Just click on the shoe. Okay, there seems a problem. We will choose another thing. Let's choose this sunglass. Okay, let's go for this sunglass. So I have to choose the frame color. I will prefer this black one. Okay, this one looks good. Now you have to choose an option with box or no box. I will prefer with box. Now quantity 1. Okay, let's click on add it to cart. So in my cart list, as you can see, there is that sunglass here. So in total it is $37.54. Just click on this checkout button. Okay, after that you have to fill all of those things. So after you fill up that address thing, then you will be directed to a page like this. Okay, so now in here you have to add your payment method here. Click on pay with a card, and then you have to give your card number here, the expiry date of your card, and then you can change an address again in here. Okay, after you have done, then click on apply. So that was how you can order things on DHgate, and thanks for watching.